Their frenzied dash along the beach, into the water, is often encountered by predators. The tumultuous waves, and marine predators, are then waiting to destroy the remaining survivors. It's estimated from all the eggs laid by the mother in a nest, only one hatchling will probably survive the threats and make it to adulthood. Abrupt changes by humans, including habitat destruction, pollution, and overconsumption, is seeing the decline in numbers of sea turtles. Let's be mindful and prevent these species from going extinct.